I want to tear some book pages out of a couple of books. And I just thought I'd bring you along with me here. I'm wondering, do you see this mess? Good night. Does that ever happen to you? I want to use that book page. Goodness. So I saw somebody use a ruler and they somehow butted it up against the page and then tore. So I'll go ahead and I will try that. That works, but not really. What do you guys do to get the pages out of books that you really want to use the page? Do you use scissors and cut? Well, look at this book here. Do you see that? It's bound in with like string. So I'm going to grab this little guy and carefully attempt to cut those strings out. So then the signature is loose and open. And then my pages will come out. But I'm going to be honest with you, till I got to this page, I did not know that they were put together like this. But now that I know, it will be much easier because you should be able to pull it right out. And it looks wonderful that way. Welcome, it's Dawn with For Grace Creations, and today I simply want to make a few wonky envelopes to use as tucks, and I'm going to use some different book pages. So I thought I would bring you along with me and show you my struggle so you can learn from it, and then I will show you how to make these envelopes. But because everybody's books are different sized, I want to do this with a few different book pages. Oh, okay, well, I don't know how to fix that. Now it won't come, okay, my husband can fix that for me. What in the world? Oh boy. Hopefully that's not how the whole day is going to go. But let's cut the strings out of this. It will make it easier to pull these pages out. All right, we have those. Let's try this book. This is more like your normal paperback book, but the pages are thick. And then these are a little smaller. Now, we want to measure the width of each book page. So, measure it and then measure it, turning it sideways, and cut that edge off because we want a perfect square if possible. Again, I'm calling these wonky envelopes because mine, even if I get a perfect square, they don't end up right. We're going to fold the two sides in. And if you have a bone folder, scissors, whatever you want, just make a good crease there. Fold the bottom up, crease it well. And then I'm tearing the top off. You don't have to. Now, a little glue on the corner here. And a little glue on the inside of that other corner. Plop them together. I use too much glue, so I'm going to put a piece of paper in there to make sure it does not glue to itself. I'm using art glitter glue this time. We'll glue the bottom up. And there we have our first envelope. Now I'm going to use a different size paper. Again, measure the width, turn it sideways, measure it again, and make sure it's the same. Cut the extra off, fold the sides in, fold the bottom up, crease it, and then cut the top off wherever you want it. I'm going to use Barely There art glue or whatever it's called for this one, just to show you can use whatever glue as well. Now this is a regular book page, kind of thick. I'm measuring it, but first I'm getting that edge straight. And I'm going to make it a perfect square again. Fold the sides in and the bottom up. And PVA glue this time. Elmer School glue. Basically, whatever you've got. Stick glue, I find, does not work as well. So I don't recommend using that. Now we have 3 different size envelopes. This one, I do need to fix the side so it's straight. So I'm just gonna lay my ruler there and tear. And now measure, make sure we're square, do it all over again with some glue. There we go. You don't have to cut the tops off. And now I'm just gonna ink around. Okay, now let's decorate some of these puppies. So they already have some flowers on them. What I thought I would get out is, because I want to limit my supplies so I'm not overwhelmed. What I got out was twine, labels, butterflies and things in here. So don't do this. I took this book. I believe it is, well, some sort of paper. And I took the little sticky tape, double-sided sticky tape, and I would put it on something, and then I put my cutouts on here so I could come back and take them off later. The problem is, later, look, it makes a mess. I don't know how to store these. Do you have any ideas? All I know is this does not work, guys, at all. It makes an utter mess. But that's what I'm working with for now. Let's start with this one. One at a time. I'll show you what I'm going to do with the twine. Okay. I want to... when I put these in a journal, some of them I will glue down to the page. I might glue just 3 sides and make it yet another pocket. But a couple of them I want to just put in as kind of a fold out. Do I have a journal? Yeah, let me show you what I mean. I've got a journal I'm working on here that basically what I'm doing is I'm going to do half of this journal decorating, and then I'm going to mail it off to a gal. Her name's Arlene, and then she's going to finish it. Then we're going to auction off this in her Facebook group. Just something fun to do. But I will be doing a video decorating this. But first, what I thought I'd do is I'm going to grab a page and show you what I mean. What I'll do is I'll take a page and I'll attach it on the side so it flips out. You know what I mean? So, for the ones I'm going to use as a flip out, I want to tie some twine around. I want to give myself enough room here to make a bow. And I don't want to tie it so tight that it's bowing the pages. And I think I want to go around twice. So we'll cut it off, kind of willy-nilly, just right there. And we'll go like this. Hold my finger on it. Tie a knot. And then a bow. Are you guys good at making bows? I suck. My bows always look wonky. I don't know why that is. But what this does, and I'm not going to glue it down or anything, this allows the person that receives it to take this twine off and use it somewhere else in the journal if they want to. And then I'll show you what else I'm going to do. So we have the twine down. And I'm just going to take it off real quick and set it aside. We'll put it back on in a minute. A butterfly. And I don't know if I like that butterfly. It doesn't really go with the purple and white. So maybe I'll choose this other one here. Making a mess when I take it off the page. So then I have to carefully remove that mess. Yeah, I like that one better. And then a little label. And these are, some are stickers, and some are Tim Holtz labels. Let's see. Ooh, here's a green one. Let's do this green one. Maybe like that. And then, oh, do I have some flowers? All right, let's try this flower here. Oh, what a mess. Maybe like that. All right, glue. Let's get this flower down, and I am not going to ink it. I was going to fussy cut from some flowers, but decided against that. Okay. I ought to have a paper towel with me to get the extra glue that squishes out. And I don't. So I'm going to get it all over my hands. Okay, here come the grandkids. It might get noisy for a minute. I may have to do a voiceover. Who knows? Okay, we'll put that down. And then our butterfly. And what I'm doing is I'm making these because I've got some Happy Mail I want to send out. Oh no, where do I want to put this? You know what? We're going to put it back here so that it is a surprise. Because I'm going to put, I have some pre-made tags that I've had just sitting, and I need to use them up. So I'm going to go to that stash, and I'm going to put a few tags in these. Yeah, that'll work. I think that's cute. So then we got to put this back on it. There we go. Cute. One done. Now this one, I left the top on just because I think that is cute. And with this one, I am not going to glue the flower down. I'm actually, after we get the twine on, I'm going to tuck it in there. But we do need a butterfly and a label. What about that butterfly? Yeah, he's cute. Now, I think this is a sticker. Do you guys have suggestions on how to get stickers off the back easily? Now, that one did come off decent. It didn't fight me too much. And now our twine. I found this at an antique shop. And it, as cute as it was, I need twine. Go around, I think we'll go around a couple times on this one. There we go. And just cut it with some extra. And we'll tie the bow over here. Okay, and then this, we're just gonna stick it there. No, it covers that up. Maybe something a little smaller? How about that one? Let's take this extra off the back. How about that one? Or is that not big enough? We want somewhere in between, don't we? Okay, hold on. Let's try this one. We got to get the yuck off that. What about that? Yes, I like that one. Okay, 2 down. Now, this one was the one out of just regular book page. Oh, that's cute. What is that? It won't look good on that page. We have green. And I have a stamp. No. Butterfly. We want a butterfly. What about that butterfly? Or maybe down here. Yeah. Okay. Is that a sticker? I don't think so. So we got that. Get our butterfly going. Oh, I don't want to cover up that bird. So we'll go like this. I do have these itty bitty little things that need cut. So we'll just do that and add this on top of that label. I don't even know where I got this. I'm trying to use up things that I've been sitting on, you know, just they've been sitting around. Who knows? Maybe I ought to do a use it or lose it playlist. What do you guys think? Should I do that and just make different things and we can have a craft along or something like that? Using up our supplies, or if we do not end up using it, getting rid of it, you know? What does everybody think? Okay, we need a little more room there. Got one, and that would be 2. Okay. I want it down a little farther, I think. Come over here to this side. And then tie it. Now we can tuck this down in there. Or should we do the big one with this? No, it covers up the butterfly. What do you think? Cute. Another one done. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I have made a whole pile of these, and I'm going to attempt to use them up, mail some out as Happy Mail, set a few aside to put in my Edith Holden journal. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Are you guys going to do some of this? Yay? Nay? What kind of book pages are you going to use? Let me know in the comments. So anyway, thanks for being here, you guys, and I shall see you at the next video. Bye.